Hello, hello, mic test. Kamusta kayo, guys? Hello. So, itong kakantahin ko, madalas ko na itong kinakanta, pero dahil Father's Day, so, about sa father ang kakantahin natin. Alam niyo na to. Diba? Wait lang, ads yun. Ulit. Take 2. Hello, my test. This song is dedicated to all of you who's watching this video. May pagano. Back when I was a child, before I removed the innocence of Father let me high, and then with more and me twin me around their sleep. Little sisters, you carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. Get another chance, another walk, another dance with you. Nagkakaroon ng technical error. To dance with my father again. When I'm on mother walk this street, to get more I would run from here to here, and make me love just to comfort me, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, and left a dollar under my chin, never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final stare, one final dance with you, I'd play a song that would never win. How I love you, dance with my father. Sometimes I'm lazy outside her door, and hear my mother cry for me. I'll pray for her even more than me. I'll pray for her even more than me. Diba? Dance with my father. Ang ano talaga nito, si Luther Vandross, pero may sinundian din na ng female key. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only mention love? I know you don't do it usually, but the love she's lying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Diba? Para sa mga tatay inyo. So ano naman ang next natin kakantahin? Ads yan. Ang daming ads sa YouTube kasi.
حرانين خذ أهلك.
Let us... Hello sa 1 million viewers! Kung sino ka mong nanonood ka. 1 million viewers tayo. Ano bang kakantahin ko? Comment down below. Anong gusto niyo kantahin ko? Comment down below. Naghahanap ako ng magandang kanta. Ano ba? Ano? Ano ang gagawin? Ano kaya ang magandang kantahin? Teka. Ito na lang, maganda. That's what friends are for. Para sa mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan. Okay, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin to. Antayin natin. Maganda rin to eh. Maraming page na nagpahirap ng kumakanta dito, grupo. Diba? That's what friends are for. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came and opened me. Now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you and then for the times when we're apart. Well, then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for good times, for bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. Guys, bitin yung tugtog niya yan. Diba? Para sa mga kaibigan nyo. Right? That's what friends are for. Hello sa mga kaibigan ko na quiet for a long time ago. Thanks. That's what friends are for. Wait lang. Gods na naman. Pasaway. Ano naman kaya? Type lang kayo dyan down below. Hello po sa nanonood. Mangyari lamang po na i-share or mag-comment kung ano pong gusto nyo kantahin ko. Yung kaya lang po ng lalamunan ko. Charot. Wait lang. Ano ba ang kakantahin ko? Marami akong kinakanta ng kabataan ko. Siyempre, last ko na ba ang kantahin? Anong kakantahin natin, Lord? Mag-isip tayo ng magandang next song. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magandang kanta. Naghahanap lang ako, guys. Maraming magandang kanta. But is it English or Tagalog? Dati kasi mga kinakanta ko, mga ano eh, mga talagang mga yung abot hanggang alam-alay. Kahit hindi kagandahan yung boses ko, abot alam-alay yung mga binibirit ko. Ibirit natin yung madalas kong kantahin. The Power of Love. Alam niyo ba yung The Power of Love? Tingnan natin The Power of Love. Siyempre, isa sa paborito kong mga kanta na singer na si Celine Dion. Okay. Tingnan natin. Kung kaya pa din ang malang-malang ko to. Good luck. Tingnan natin. Odds na naman. Hello, odds. Google odds. To whisper in the morning. Hold on to your whole body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'm the one that I can. Even though there may be times it seems so far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side. 'Cause I'm yours. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I'll never be. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn of the power of love. The sound of your beating made it clear suddenly. The feeling that I can't go on is light years away. 'Cause of your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'm gonna go all I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I'll never be. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn of the power of love. The power of love. The power of love. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn of the power of love. Ay, tapos na pala, sorry. O, diba? Yan yung talagang malalang kantahin nung araw. Yan yung kaya. So, ano pa ang kantahin natin? Pangatlo na yan. So, mga ano pa, isang pa or dalawang kanta. Anong kanta naman? Hello! Tingnan natin. Mga namimiss ko mga kantahin. Ito na lang. Ito na lang pala. So, gusto ko itong kantong ito. Wait lang ito. Ayan. There was a time I had with dreams away, living in a shell, hiding from myself. There was a time when I was so free. I thought it was you, baby, that was then. I am made of more than my yesterdays. This is my now, and I'm ready in the moment. So look around. homeless, but ready for more, ready for more. This is my name. I'm ready at the moment. So look around. I can't believe that I see my peace behind me. Gone in the shadows and down. That was then. This is my name. The moment. So look around. I can't believe the love I see. My peace behind me. Gone are the shadows and down. That was then. This is my life. Hi, thank you for watching. This is my life. What else? Ito rin maganda. Itong kanta na to. Sabi ko last na eh. Nakailang last na ako. Nag-enjoy. Ano naman? Mag-ano tayo? Mangopya tayo ng boses. May ginagaya akong boses. Tingnan niyo kung mabubosisan niyo. Tingnan natin ah. Ito madalas ko kantahin. Tingnan natin. Wait. Tagalog naman. Pero i-main ko yung boses ko. Tatry natin kung mahuhulaan mo yung boses. Hello, artist. Kahit pa lang umibig sa di tamang panahon, kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana nakilala sa nanuong panahon ng puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na kitang mamahalin sabay sa balayan ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Nahulaan niyo ba kanina ng boses yan? Kahit pa lang umibig sa di tamang panahon, kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala sa nanuong ng puso ay malaya ka magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin sabay Bukas na lang kita. Bukas na lang kita. Bukas na lang kita. O diba, iba-iba ng boses. Comment down below kung ano yung boses na rinig niyo, ano kaya ako to. Bukas na lang kita, mamahalin. By Lalo sa Lucia. Okay guys, thank you. Susunod naman. Bye.